Control panel explanations. On/off button. Down button. The frequency setting can be accessed by pressing and holding the button. Up button. Sound can be muted by pressing and holding the button. Enter or selection button. Left button. The screen brightness can be controlled by pressing and holding the button. Right button. Back button to the previous menu. After pressing on power button, the following screen will display: brand screen, model name screen, language selection menu. Due to the wide spread of the device has been equipped with 8 international languages, allowing any user to use the device easily. Search systems menu. You can choose the appropriate system and then press the enter button on the control panel. Mega Gold contains one search system, long-range locator system.